Let's talk about court packing. Sounds bad, but what is it, and is it really bad? The Supreme Court currently has 9 seats, one of which is vacant due to the death of Justice Ginsburg. Trump wants to add Amy Coney Barrett, even though there is an election looming and most people would like the next president to make the pick. Some Democrats favor adding more seats to the court if Trump is successful in jamming through Barrett, and they win the White House and Senate, the body that confirms judges. You can call that court packing, but the truth is the Constitution says absolutely nothing about how many seats should be on the court. There's nothing magical about 9. It could be fewer or greater. When the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, a court just below the Supreme Court, hears cases in bank, the group of judges hearing the case is 11. So adding 2 more seats to the Supreme Court would be nothing special. Republicans call it court packing because they would likely lose the advantage they have in so-called conservative justices, and therefore call adding more judges court packing, a label that is supposed to evoke horror and indignation. But the only ones afraid are the Republicans who packed the court with an extra justice when they refused to give Obama's nominee for the Supreme Court, Merrick Garland, a hearing. Don't be fooled by Republicans. Name-calling and double talk. Adding more justices is perfectly legal and not really a big deal, unless you are afraid of losing the advantage you got by being a hypocrite.